This is an English for Citizenship video brought to you by Springvale Learning and Activities Center. This is Australia's Democratic Beliefs, Part 6. This lesson will cover freedom of association and freedom of religion. Key words to learn are organization, political party, trade union, heritage, and secular. Organization. An organization is an organized group of people with the same purpose. That might be a government group or a business organization, a religious organization, or even a sporting organization. It's a group of people that come together with the same purpose. Political party. A political party is an organized group of people who have the same beliefs and the same political positions. There are several political parties in Australia. Some of them are the Liberals, the Nationals, the Labour Party, the Greens, Family First, and Democrats, and many more. Trade union. A trade union is an organized group of workers formed to protect the rights and interests of the worker. So this is the main Australian Council of Trade Unions. So if you are an electrician or a plumber, teacher, maybe a nurse, someone who works in a shop, you might be able to join a trade union. And that union will help you make sure that you're getting paid the right amount. And if you get hurt, they will help you deal with your injury and any other unfair treatment that you might get at work. So trade unions protect the rights and interests of the worker. Australians are free to join any legal organization. So political parties, trade unions, religious group, cultural group, or a social group. You may join any of those if you wish. Often people enjoy joining groups to find friends and community. You join a group and you meet new people who share similar thoughts and ideas and beliefs. Australians can gather to protest against the government or an organization. But when we do protest, we must make sure it is within the law. Protests, so they must be peaceful. They must not injure any person, and they must not damage property. Heritage. Heritage is the background, so family background, country background, culture background, from which someone comes from. Australia, the country, has a Judeo-Christian heritage. So some Christian holidays that are celebrated in Australia are Good Friday, Easter Sunday, and Christmas Day. And these are also public holidays in Australia. And this is because of Australia's Judeo-Christian heritage. Secular. Secular means not connected with a religious group. So the government in Australia is secular. There is no official religion. People in Australia are free to follow any religion that they choose. So Buddhism, Islam, Christianity, Judaism, Catholicism, Shintoism, there are many different religions in Australia, and people are free to follow any of them. Religions have rules, but they are not laws in Australia. So the religious rules are not laws in Australia. Religion cannot make the laws in Australia. Now we have some test questions, so please try to answer the following questions about Australia's democracy and the meaning of the key words. Question number 1. An organization is a government group, B, a group of people with the same purpose, C, people who live together. The correct answer is B. An organization is a group of people with the same purpose. Question number 2. A trade union, A, looks after the interests of the boss, B, helps the government, C, protects the rights and interests of the worker. And the correct answer is C. A trade union protects the rights and interests of the worker. Question number 3. Australians are free to join any organization. True or false? And the correct answer is true. Australians may join any organization they want. You can join several if you wish, or you don't have to join any at all. Question number 4. Australia has what kind of religious heritage? A, Judeo-Christian, B, Buddhist, C, Islam. The correct answer is A. Australia has a Judeo-Christian religious heritage. Question number 5. Australia's government is secular. True or false? The correct answer is true. Australia's government is secular, which means that Australia's government does not have a specific religion. It has no religion. Question number 6. Australians are not free to choose any religion they like. True or false? The correct answer is false. Australians are free to choose any religion they like, or they may not choose any religion. They are free to decide. Question number 7. Religious rules are not laws in Australia. True or false? The correct answer is true. Religious rules are not laws in Australia. The government in Australia makes the laws, not a religious group. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you again for coming and watching this video, and be sure to check in later for future videos on Australia's democratic beliefs. Thank you and goodbye.